from Jane's Kitchen, and today I will be showing you on how to make Rocy Roady cookies. We'll be using 1 cup of butter. I use unsalted butter because it helps a lot to make your cookie delicious because it has no salt in it. Then we will add on 1/2 cup of white sugar, then 1 cup of brown sugar. I am making brown sugar with the white sugar because it helps to make your cookie chewy. Then in your hand mixer you can use to this. I put already the butter and the sugar, then I start to beat. Then put egg one at a time. Then until it becomes fluffy before adding the second egg. Then you add the baking soda, and I put a little bit of salt. Then I put vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean. Then continue beating for about 1 minute. This stage, the sugar is already melted in the butter. This time we can add the cocoa powder. I put 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter. I use the alkalized cocoa. This time we can slowly add our sifted flour. I already saved this one while ago, so I can put it straight to our butter mixture. Slowly I'm mixing with my scraper, because if I will use the mixer, the flour will fly. Then add the next batch of the flour. Until mix well. Then this time we can put our pecan, maybe around half a cup. Then marshmallow, half a cup, and also our chocolate chips. One cup. This time you can use your scraper to mix it. I can smell now the aroma of my vanilla and my cocoa. Then mix it manually. Smells so good. Now you can chill this for 30 minutes before baking. But since I want to show you the finished product, I will start to bake it. The rest, if you don't want to bake everything, you can put it in the fridge, and you can use it for a month. Now it's time for these cookies to bake in the oven. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees for 15 minutes. I use this ice cream scooper for the portioning of my cookie. In one pan, maybe you can put 12 pieces of cookies. This mixture can make around 30 large cookies. So if you want to add more toppings, you can just put on top. You can use good quality of chocolate so that your cookies will be like store-bought expensive cookies. Okay, time to put inside the oven. Pop this in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on your oven. Our cookies is done. We'll take it out. Then let it cool in a wire rack. Our cookies is done from the oven. I already rested it for 5 minutes. It's time to transfer in the cooling rack. You can use this recipe to make business. You can put it in a very nice bag, and then you can sell it with fancy scotch tape, and then you can sell it to your office mate, to your friends. You must try this recipe. This is 100% yummy, tasty. It's time for our taste test. You can see the inside. It's so yummy. I cannot talk. There you have it. Rocy Roady cookies. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For the full recipe, you can click to my description box. Thank you. Bye.